Morgan Stanley Retail Index, MVR.X. These are some great names in here. These are all of your companies in here. Ross Stores has been a great performer. You've got Saks in here. You've got AutoZone in here, which has been really on fire. You've got these other retailers, Dillard's. You've got Family Dollar Store that had a fairly decent move lately. Nordstrom's high end has moved great. Kohl's, which is another one that has moved extremely great. Sears Holdings Corp. We all know about how that thing has been burning, and retail's a good place. Here's a Tiffany high-end one that people like, moved up $1.66. These are the names that are tied to this bull rally. So when oil and gas and commodities were at their all-time highs, when gas and oil came down, we started putting bottoms in here. This 200-day simple moving average right here, my friends, this is a very long-term rising 200-day moving average. And just like the other indexes, just like the S&P, they didn't want to go below it. And we started breaking out. You can see where the breakouts have occurred. We're right back up here. This was a major area, this trend line. We're above it. We're going to come. This is where the real top daily doji reversal down started. And this is where the top, where retail was extremely overbought. Let me point out at how overbought when we called a short on retail in this sector. You're at 82% on the daily, that is. But look at where you got oversold at 7.54. We were so oversold, they couldn't go below that 200-day moving average in the short term from that top reversal. And now, on the other hand, though, coming right back up here on the highs, we're at 87.77%. We're going to come back up here and hit that wall of resistance, and we popped a daily buy signal on the MACD. That's what a sell signal is. That's where the last part of that big move went down. We came up off of that indicator. You guys already know what it does. I'm not going to go into the video other than as a daily buy signal. We're going to be watching all of these names during the earnings season and how each one of these high-end retailers are faring to where the consumer is in July 2011 earnings season. We're going to watch, and if we're all the way back up here at the highs, they're pricing in the best scenario, I can tell you. Once again, bear, bull, long, short, overbought, oversold, everything that it takes to understand where we are and where these rallies started. Retail is retail. The consumer is a big part of that retail. We're going to find out when we enter that earnings season. We've had a wonderful rally off of these bottoms back up. We're going to hit these major tops up in here. We're going to get even more short-term. So short-term oversold, we're going to get back into, and retail can stay overbought for a period of time.